You may not know much about Chinese manufacturer Vivo, but the Vivo V7 Plus is a great example of what the company does well. Vivo is doing remarkably well in the developing world with its line of lower spec mid-range phones. It was reported to be 5th in the world in the first quarter of this year, though the company has slipped out of the top 5 in the third quarter. Sporting a full metal body, a large 6-inch display with a 18:9 ratio, though at a lower 1440x720 pixel resolution compared to higher end devices, the V7 Plus is an affordable phone with plenty to like. It's powered by a not so impressive octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, but it comes loaded with 4GB RAM and 64GB of onboard storage, which isn't too shabby. The phone's claim to fame isn't its modest specs, but the 24 megapixel front camera with LED flash that aims to help you take the perfect selfie with a face beauty mode. The mode lets you smoothen out your face and change your skin tone. But be warned, you may end up looking a bit too plastic. The LED flash also acts as a fill light, which is great if you find yourself wanting to take a selfie in a low light location, like a pub perhaps. And if you need to take a group picture, the phone has a mode where you rotate the phone to capture a wider shot. Even without the 24 megapixel front camera, the Vivo V7 Plus would still be a decent lower end phone. Sure, the Snapdragon 450 may not be as powerful as a Snapdragon 600 and 800 range of chips, but it gets the job done. Gaming may be trickier however, if you want the best graphics and fast loading times. The Vivo V7 Plus isn't the best phone out there, but its selfie prowess may find it an audience. It is available in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and most of Southeast Asia, though not Singapore, for around $350, which converts to about £265 and $460 respectively. Quick specs: Qualcomm Snapdragon 450, 4GB RAM, 64GB onboard storage, 6-inch display, 1440x720 pixels, 18:9 display ratio, 24 megapixel front camera with LED flash, 16 megapixel rear shooter, dual SIM support.